Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this great Dutch Gambrel 1561 Malabar. So come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 1561 Malabar. Real quiet street, lots of owners that live around here full time, lots of secondary owners, and some vacation rentals too. This one is not a vacation rental. It's just currently a second home for the owner. Lots and lots of parking here. If you'll notice, you could probably get about 4 cars this way, another 3 cars this way. So probably at least 7. If you needed to, you could get an RV, a boat parking, anything. And there is gates to open it too. So on this side, we've got the property line being the fence, most likely. And then we'll come over to the other side and see if we can tell where that is. I love the roundabout driveway on this. So your property line's probably somewhere, maybe around here. Lines up with the fence back there. So concrete driveway and all the way back. Nice treed lot. You do still get a lot of light on the inside of the home, but it is beautiful how it's just covered in all these trees. And the paint job still in really great shape too. So let's enter 1561 Malabar. Gated entry. Nice wooden deck. And again, like from the deck, like the treed lot, really, you're kind of hidden back here a little bit. Looking out. So you have a couple different areas. Sit here and have some coffee. Sit out here and have your lunch. Or we could come over to the other side where there is a little fire pit area. Propane. I like that. Look, avocado green too. Roof is in great shape. Typically these roofs do tend to last a while just because you're not getting snow loads sitting on it that long. So let us go inside. So here we are at the entry. We could go a number of ways. This way is going to lead us to the living room and one of the bathrooms, as well as the outside. This way is going to go upstairs, and then this way to the kitchen. So one thing to note, you do have nice tile floors that are just at the entryway and into the kitchen, and the rest of it is carpeted. There are a few other spots where it is tiled. So let's start in the kitchen. They've got a lot of lighting throughout this house. So it makes it real nice and bright in here. You do have dual pane windows. A good seating area, as well as a lot of space to cook. So you've got the cutting board area, but then this is a very large kitchen. You could actually get an even like almost more overwhelming table if you wanted to. So we do have updated appliances. We do have what appears to be granite countertops, stainless steel, a clock that is supposed to be there. I'm just slightly off. But when you're in Big Bear, who cares what day it is? So as I said, this is the owner's second home. So up here quite a bit. So you will notice things in it, which is fine. We just is looking to sell it furnished as well. You've got this tongue and groove, really well taken care of. Paneling, not the cheap stuff either. So you got a beautiful little sitting area. And from what I can tell, he loves to read. Just like me. Nice stand-up desk. Get some good light right there. Then we have the living room. So, biker. As you can see, a couple e-bikes. But like, look at all this furniture. Really, really well maintained. And then the TV. Then we have this beautiful brick fireplace. It does have the gas starter on it right here. Might hang his picture up. See if we like that better. Yeah. Not cheap furniture either. Lots of leather, lots of custom fabric. And you do have central heating, so here is the intake for it. Looks like it was maybe replaced from being a wall heater. And then also we do have, it is run remotely via the Nest thermostat. So again, here we have that same tile from the front leading to the laundry room and the bathroom. Here, I'm going to show you this closet. It is underneath the stairs. It's kind of like a tool closet. So lots of stuff in here, but pretty meticulously maintained in here as well. So nice little bonus. And then here we have the laundry and the water heater. So the laundry and the water heater is a little bit larger than normal. It is dual strapped. There is a light in here too. Stackable as well. And then from here we do have, so there's a bathroom here, bathroom right up above us too. But very good sized bathroom. Not tight at all. Good lighting all throughout. And tastefully decorated too. Same granite countertops that were in the kitchen as well. And then we do have fiberglass tub. Super clean. And lots of storage too. And the ceilings are probably about like 9 feet, I believe. And then here's some just pretty accents all throughout the house. So from here, I'm going to actually take you upstairs before we go outside. That way we can see the bedrooms and that second bathroom. And then we'll go take a look at the yard. So a really forgiving stairwell, not too steep, kind of low in height, long in footstep. So here we're at the top of the stairs. We're looking at bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. So let's go this way. We just saw one bathroom, so let's see another. So again, same tile, same countertop. And just about the same size too. You do have this leaning wall here where they put storage here. And then again, Fiberglass tub, super clean, really easy to clean, nice and white. And then from here, we'll go into what I would call the second best bedroom. So, very pretty, very cozy in here. It's got a good vibe with the chair, the lamps. And I love this bed too. Just kind of like a mountain modern bed. It appears to be a queen size bed. So if you were vacation rentaling this place, Airbnb-ing it, you could probably keep it for about 6 people based off of Big Bear City or San Bernardino County's current Airbnb codes. So here we are again, mountain modern bed. And again, he does want to sell it furnished too. So this is the second bedroom. The second bedroom does not have a closet, but really you're not lacking much because you do have a bench and a drawer. So this appears to be a queen bed frame, but a double bed. So I think you could probably get away with a little bit more mattress on this. And then I love this beautiful Tiffany like lamp. Really great accent. And we also have our skylight, which gives us good light. And then in here is, this is my favorite bedroom. Love these like older pieces. At least I think it's an older piece. It's probably a newer piece because it slides really well, but it's great. So just slightly bigger, I believe, than that other bedroom. They both have a good sized closet. And this is a queen bed too. Same bed frame as the last one with the like poster bordered bed. And then here we have the closet. It's a little bit deeper. The other one's a little bit wider. So take your pick. And again, this paneling all throughout. We are not looking at cheap paneling in here, and it is also on the ceiling as well. Okay. So from here, we are going to go outside. And so a little bit of facts on the home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1368 square foot. It is in the Big Bear City neighborhood right off of Highway 38. This one is hitting the market for $499.9. Has not been a rental, but it has a lot of the great qualities of being a rental, including that. So always important to have a hot tub in the mountains. At night in the wintertime, you're going to love having it. Anytime you got it after a day of skiing, you will really enjoy that. You've also got a great little view of the meadow right here. So a lot of times you'll see donkey out there, wild boar. No, I lied. You're not going to see wild boar. You're going to see wild, like, they're donkeys. That's what they are. And so again, treed lot, nice treed lot. And then the deck does come all the way around from the front to the back. Let's kind of go down and take a look what the lot has to offer. We do have like a little kitchen area. Could doll this up a little bit more with a new grill. And then so back here, you can see we are fenced on this side, and then you saw that we are fenced on the other side. See if you have any kids, pets, anything like that, it's a great yard for them. Especially, I mean, for kids, maybe clean up the rocks a little bit to make it a little bit more cushioning if they fall. Nice oak trees. We've got an aspen tree right here. So I'm not going to take you inside these sheds because owner's stuff is in here. But great size shed. And then you have a concrete foundation for your wood over here. It does appear that they have electrical inside the shed as well. I like how they did that. And the color of it, it really like hides it really well from the rest of the backyard. It's not just like an eyesore because it is painted the color of the trees and the color of the house. So it hides itself really well. And then we also have this Rubbermaid shed up on the concrete, which is what you want to do up here so that you're not getting any termites. And then lastly, I will show you over here. So it's kind of leveled, like you could drive back here if you wanted to. But they do have it concreted all the way down for boat parking, RV parking, anything like that. So that you just have extra covered parking. And then your stop and waste right there is here so that it's covered, so it's not going to get snowed on and covered, and you can easily access it too. So there you have it. This is 1561 Malabar, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1368 square foot, about an 8,000 square foot lot. Hitting the market, it would probably make between $40,000-$60,000 in rental income annually if you are really doing it right. But there you have it, $499. Let me know if you'd like to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.